Hello viewers, in this video we're going to learn about an amazing, interesting project, that is how we can make Bell move. Okay, so you see Bell has two wheels, right? So in this video we're going to find out how we can make Bell move from one place to another. So without any further delay, let's get started.
So as you can see that Bell has two wheels, one on the left, another on the right. The wheels can move with the help of mini motors. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the AdamaScript IDE and check if we are in the Arduino mode. Once we're in the Arduino mode, go to the Robots category and take the AdamaScript program block from the Bell section. After that, as you can see in the operations area, we have two blocks, set motor 1 speed and set motor 2 speed. Alright, so here, as you can see, whenever the program starts, it will start with the first block and then come here, the motor speed will be 0. What would happen if we make it 50 and if we make it 50, both of them? And let's take a control block. Wait 1 second. So, what would happen if we upload this program to our robot? So let us connect our Bell first and then upload the program. You can assume by now, right, that probably one of the motors will run or probably both. So there's only one way to find out, by testing. And that is a very important aspect of technology. So what happens is the program keeps on running and running. It doesn't stop because, do you remember that the last state is turned on, basically to run. That's why the motor keeps on moving. If the program was something like this, that 0 and 0, we will be able to see what happens. So there's only one way to find out. First of all, let's connect Bell and upload the program. So the program is uploaded. So when we unplug the Bell and start, and we see that Bell turns on for 1 second. Alright, both of the motors turns on for 1 second and they stop. So this is what happens, guys. These code. Now, what would happen if one of these, so let's say 0 and the other one is more? Okay, let's delete these blocks by dragging and dropping thing on the block area. So what would happen? So let's say in our Bell, motor 1 is the one on the left and motor 2 is on the right. So what would happen if motor 1 is turned off and the other one turns on? So the robot would move towards left, right? And what would happen if we make it 50 and the other one 0? In this condition, the motor would turn right. You see, this is how we will be able to make Bell change direction, by reducing one of the motors' speed compared to the other. This is a very interesting way to change direction for a three-wheeled vehicle. This is the same concept for the four wheels as well. You turn the front wheels and then the back wheels follow. It's very interesting, how technology works. the more you work with them, the more you design them, the more you learn about them, the smarter you get. So, in this section, you have learned how we can make Belle move from one place to the other. Also, we can make Belle go backwards as well by uploading this code. Okay, so let us do something like this. First, Belle will move forward, and then Belle will move towards left, and then Belle will move towards right, and then Belle will move back for 1 sec, and it will keep on moving, but that is why we want to make it stop with zeros and zeros. So first of all, let's plug our Belle and connect it. This is a very interesting way to learn coding. You see how step by step you run these methods and run these blocks, and you will be able to see in real life what your robot is doing. And on the right, you can see the codes as well, what is happening. We will discuss these codes in the advanced sections. Right now, this is the demonstration.